When it comes to any problems with your eye health, like injuries, pain, swelling, visual loss or disturbance, I'm here to help you. We are specialists for your eyes and highly experienced. So, if for example you are experiencing eye pain, red eyes, watery, sticky or itchy eyes, come and see me. You may have gritty or irritable eyes, foreign bodies, flashing lights or eye floaters, as well as eyelid lumps and bumps, then you should see your optometrist rather than your GP. We are the only clinicians equipped with specialist technology to diagnose, treat and help manage your eye care needs. As an optometrist, I am part of the primary care team. If you have a problem with your eyes, your primary choice is to see an optometrist.